friends, welcome back. Today we're going to do a math activity called Post-it Math. And it's actually kind of like a game, except you're not playing against someone else. You're just playing against yourself. It's kind of fun. So the things you'll need for this is 2 sheets that I have on the computer that mom or mamas or dads can run off, or they can just take 2 pieces of paper and make your own. And then you'll need 12 Post-it notes this size, or 5 squares pieces of paper this size. 12 squares of paper this size. And you'll need a writing utensil. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is write numbers on our Post-it squares. And I've already written mine, and I'm gonna hold it up so you can copy. But if I'm going too fast, your mom or dad can always pause the video so you can catch up. Okay, ready? First, we're not gonna start with 1 today. We're gonna start with 0. Right, friends, that's a 0. Can you draw on your first Post-it note a 0? Good, friends. What's the next number after 0, counting up? That's right. We want the number 1. Can everybody write a number 1 on a square? What comes after 1? That's right, a 2. Kind of curves up and around, slant down and across. Kind of looks like somebody kneeling. Okay, what's our next number? You got it, 3. Look kind of like 2 C's. Curves up and around, curves down and around. C. Or number 3. What's our next number? That's right, 4. How many of you are still 4? Raise your hand if you're still 4. You're soon going to be 5, because everybody has to be 5 before they go to kindergarten. And that's coming soon. Right, number 4. What comes after 4? That's right, 5. How many of us are still 5? Raise your hand if you're 5. That's right, Miss Paul is 5 too. I might have a number after that 5, but I'm 5. What's our next number? 6. That's right, a 6. Slant down, curve around, and make a circle. 6. What comes after 6? That's right, a 7. 7, good job, writing 7s. Those are a little difficult because of the slants in them. Go straight across, slant down. What comes after 7? You're right, 8. Can everybody draw an 8 on your square? What comes after 8? That's right, 9. Make a circle and down. And what's next? That's right, 10. What two numbers make a 10? 1 and a 0. Good job, friends. Now, I know everybody has 1 Post-it left because we had 12 Post-its. So on the last Post-it, I want you to put the number of how old you are. So remember, Miss Paula says she's 5 with a number after that 5. Well, today I'm going to use just the 5. So if you're 5, make a second 5, or if you're 4, make another 4. Okay? And this is how we play this game. Ready? Let me get my board set here. Okay. So this is going to be simple. I'm just putting a few of my numbers around my board. You're going to put all yours around yours because I'm only going to show you to start it, and then I'm going to let you go play on your own. Okay. So I have the first sheet on my board. Ready? And I'm going to look at this first box up here. This first box. I'm going to look, and I'm going to, that I can subitize. Remember how to subitize? That means just looking with your eyes, not pointing and counting, but subitize. How many are in that square? Did I hear somebody say 2? You're correct. So then I find my number 2 and I put it on that square. Except I don't really want to cover the next square because then I'm not going to be able to see. So you place it carefully on there so it fits. See that? Oh, now this next one might be hard to subitize, so the next one has too many. You can always point and count and tell me how many. Can anybody tell me how many are in this next square? That's right. I heard somebody say 8. So I find my number 8 and I put it on top. See how to play? Pretty easy, isn't it? Now I'm not going to do any more because I want you to have the fun to do it all. So go ahead and finish off those numbers, putting them on the right amount of smiley faces. But our last one down here, the very bottom here, says, there's words very small to read. It says, how old are you? Draw your smiley faces, then post it. So you're going to draw enough smiley faces for how old you are. If you're 2, you're going to draw 2 smiley faces. If you're 22, you're going to put 22 smiley faces. If you're 4, you're going to put 4 smiley faces. If you're 5, you're going to put 5 smiley faces. And then you find that number and you put that post-it on front. Okay? Does everybody understand how to play? Okay, go have some fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.